Hello friends, Kumud here. In December, the look of my garden, the front lawn garden is like this. So since the last, in 3 videos, I have been showing about, microgreens, how to go about microgreens and how to grow them. And, I myself got bored doing that. So I thought, I should make a video on the December garden. So, the look is like this. This is the overview, and you can see some changes I have made in my garden. I have brought this water body here, and all these indoor plants I have kept under the roof in my veranda because it is very cold, so it's better they remain under the roof or the ceiling rather, then I have kept my table and chair also here. Since the grass is not doing very well, friends, I just want to know that if somebody has some good idea about how to keep the grass lush green even in winters, please put the suggestions in comment box. Rest of the things are growing very well. You see, I have added some dahlias also in my garden. This is red dahlia. They all are double dahlias. They're very good, and I intend to keep their bulbs this time for the next season, because last time I couldn't do it for some reason. This time I want to do, and I have brought all good quality dahlias here. And these dianthus, these are from last year, friends. There are so many flowers, so many bulbs, from the last season, which I had kept intact, and I have grown in this season. They are doing pretty well. But this dahlia is from this season only. So these are the plants, Nargis they are called, and they're very pretty flowers. This also this year's addition, and I wish I put some more bulbs in this pot, because this is giving a very scanty look. Anyways, the flowers are very beautiful, and I feel that I'll be getting a lot of bulb after the season. Very pretty flowers. So the beds are same. These are begonias, and this is dahlia. Its flower is spent, and it is giving lots of shoots now. This is my Buddha window and Radha Krishna window. I have been showing in my other videos also. And this is my small place for roses. The white ones have come quite a lot, and this white variety is called I'm forgetting the name, friends. This is Rose Banda, something like that. Yeah. So because this comes in bundles, maybe that's why. This is looking very pretty, and it has got so many these buds coming up already. It's really going to be more beautiful than this. The other varieties are not blooming yet, although their buds are there. See the number of flowers in one bunch and lots of buds. You see these buds, they all will make one bunch of flower, and this is going to look very, very nice. These are some lilium flowers. These are also called Asiatic lilies, and I have two colors in this, yellow and orange. They are doing quite okay. Some of them are from last year, and little bit I have bought, this year also. These are kalanchus. Some people call kalankoi. They are also on budding. And these are my Rajnigandha at the lower level. I have not taken out the bulbs from these. This is another corner, and these are agave. They are growing nicely now. These are calendulas, and these are salvias. I always make a corner of salvias because they look very, very beautiful when they are in full bloom. In between you can see some nasturtiums also, coxcomb, and this red variety is again I'm missing the name, this Mandeville. Yes, this is Mandeville. These are geraniums. Now they have started blooming, and like last time I have not kept lots of geraniums this time, friends, although I wanted, but then I didn't get time, because this year I have spread my gardening to a lot of places, friends. I have gone to my roof, I have made a good garden there, then on the terrace also. So this lawn garden is getting little neglected. Not much, but yes, a few flowers are missing here. And the second reason for not keeping many flowers here, many flowers variety here is lots of construction, going around, and this place is not getting much sun. This is a gift from a friend. All these are indoor plants, friends, and I have kept them under the ceiling of my veranda. This is anthurium, and trying very hard to survive. This is my holy basil. I have kept it under the roof, under the ceiling, I mean. So this is the overview, friends.